Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do keto drinks, my Keto Mojito recipe. Coming up next. Hey guys, cheers! It's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost a significant amount of weight through ketogenic diets. Here's my before and after. And on this episode, I'm gonna show you my keto drinks, my Keto Mojito recipe that's super easy keto. Y'all know I love me some easy keto. And if you love this video, smash that like button, but don't hurt your thumb because you need it to hold your beverage. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly keto meal plan down in the description link below. Let's dive in. To make this bad boy, you're gonna need just a few ingredients because we love easy keto here. My easy keto recipe is organic mint, 1 lime, Perrier, and a cool little glass to put it in after you're done with it. Now, a quick disclaimer, you can make this keto drink recipe with alcohol or without alcohol. Mine is a virgin keto mojito, but you certainly could put liquor in it if you choose to. So what I did was simply just rinse off your mint leaves and rinse off your limes. So we just rinsed these all off. We rinsed off all of our mint, and now we're just simply pulling the leaves off of the stems one by one and making a little pile. Of course, we have my son with me, my sweet little boy here helping me with meal prep, and we washed off our limes too. I took my mint, we washed it off, and I plucked off all of the stems from the mint leaves and simply just put them aside. It was literally 1/4 cup of mint. So I'm just gonna cut these into little slices, and then my bartending skills from back in the day are coming out. I just cut little slices into them. You simply just take your knife and cut right down the middle, or you can cut your whole half like that to get the inner wedge. That's gonna help us squeeze it and also garnish the side of our glass. Then I took 1 full lime, washed it off, and then I quartered the fruit. I could save 1 for a garnish on the edge of the glass, and I simply just squeezed all of the fresh lime juice into a bowl. There is where my mint is. So I'm literally just gonna take my bowl, put a couple of mints in there. Can you grab those mints, drop them in the bowl, and then I'm gonna take some of my Perrier and then pour it in here and start to muddle it together. If you don't have a muddler, which I sure don't at this beach rental, I'm gonna use the back of a cup and start smashing it to make it muddled. So you just pour enough to cover it and then take your makeshift muddler and start kind of mashing it together, and I'll show you at the end what it looks like. And we're just gonna simply kind of smash it and grind it together. That's how you muddle. It's just, if you had a better tool to do this, if you have a muddler, it'll work better, but if not, totally this makeshift attempt totally works well of kind of grinding it together. Then I simply covered my bowl with some sparkling water. You can use Pellegrino, you can use Perrier. I get mine delivered from Amazon because it's cheaper, yes, cheaper than Costco, and there's no schlepping involved. So I put that in. I simply covered this overnight to allow the mint to kind of infuse into the drink, if you will. Oh my gosh. Then the next day, I used this mixture. We're gonna take our glass, we've squeezed our juice in, and I'm gonna put 3 of my mint sprigs in there, pour a little bit of the juice in there.
I'll open it by banging.
And then I'm gonna pour the rest of it with my Perrier. So we're just taking our lime wedges, squeezing them into our mixture, getting them nice and squeezed. I'm saving 1 for the rim of my glass. If you want to chill your glass, simply rinse it off and put it in the refrigerator to have a chilled glass for it.
Can I squeeze this?
Sure, that's gonna be our garnish though. Here, you can squeeze all of these. I'm gonna squeeze those into there and then put them in our pretty glass. And you can make more, but this was literally for 2 beverages full. And then I put 1/3 a cup of my sparkling water on top of the mint lime mixture. Let that sit overnight covered. And then the next day I just used half of the mixture into a glass. I poured it in. I put in it more sparkling water that had been refrigerated, so it was nice and chilled. This is where you can add some liquor into it. Just make sure that you use a strainer with ice in it, and then you can put your liquor over rocks and then just strain it so it's cold. Put it into a really pretty glass, put into it, I like to garnish with 2 of the mint leaves, and you could also use 1 of your lime slices to put on the side of it. And by the way, this is a great keto virgin drink for little kids to have if you're at the beach, if you're on spring break, if you're on summer break, if you want to go to the beach with a fun cold drink. Little kids can have this. They would really enjoy making it with you because of course we love to do keto meal prep with our kids so they can see our healthy lifestyles too. So let your kids have some of this as well. They'll probably enjoy smelling the mint as much as my 3-year-old did too. Then you have your beautiful Keto Mojito beverage. This ketogenic diet recipe is so simple if you want a keto beverage on a hot summer's day. This is my new favorite drink. Cheers! When I'm hot and I want a refreshing drink, and it's a great sugar-free drink because you're not adding processed crap to it. It's literally fresh lime juice that you squeeze, fresh mint to add a little zazazoo. Some of y'all have seen my Starbucks pink drink recipe, which I'll put in the description link below. You could make this with a pink drink and simply just add into it your organic mint and your lime to make this drink more of a, if you wanted a virgin drink, to make it pink looking and to match my outfit. By the way, if you want my Progress Not Perfection t-shirt, I'll put that in the description link below too. If you love this recipe, share it with a friend. Sharing is caring, and make sure you smash that like button, but not too hard so you can hold your beverage. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email with my fasting schedule and my free keto meal plan for the ketogenic diet. Put in the comments below if you like me doing these keto beverage videos. I am happy to do more keto drinks videos. Just put in the comments below so I know what videos you want to see next. Make it a powerful day. Cheers! Blooper. I just spilled it all over myself. My pants are completely wet. Looks like I just peed myself. Carry on, friends, carry on. You can be as classy as the Countess too.